If you are new to Canada or just new to investing, this is the simplest way to start. No stock picking, no day trading, no stress, just a tax-free account, one type of fund, and about 10 minutes to set it up. Let me walk you through it. First, the account. In Canada, you have something called a TFSA, a tax-free savings account, and the name undersells it because it is not really a savings account. It is an investing account where your growth is completely tax-free. Any money you make inside it, you keep. No tax on the gains and no tax when you take it out. For 2026, you can put in up to $7,000 plus any room you have built up in past years. For most newcomers, this is the best place to start. Next, what to actually buy. And here is where people overthink it. You do not need to pick the perfect stock. You buy an ETF. An ETF is just one fund that holds hundreds or even thousands of companies at once. So instead of betting on one company, you own a tiny slice of the whole market. It is instantly diversified, the fees are tiny, and you do not have to be an expert. There are even all-in-one ETFs that hold a global mix of stocks in a single fund. You buy one thing and you are done. Now, where to do it? This is where Wealthsimple comes in. It is a Canadian app built for exactly this. You can open the TFSA inside it in a few minutes. There are no commissions to buy or sell your ETFs, and the whole thing is designed so a beginner cannot get lost. And you do not need a lot of money. You can start with just a few dollars using something called fractional shares. So, here is the entire plan. Open a TFSA in Wealthsimple, move in whatever you can comfortably set aside, buy a low-cost, broadly diversified ETF, and then, the most important part, leave it alone. Set up an automatic contribution, even a small one, every payday, and let time do the work. This is not a get-rich-quick thing, it is a get-rich-slowly thing, and that is exactly why it works. A couple of honest notes. This is education, not financial advice, so do your own research and pick what fits your situation. Investments can go down as well as up, and only invest money you will not need in the short term. That really is it. A tax-free account, one diversified fund, and consistency. It is boring, and boring is what builds wealth. If you want to try Wealthsimple for yourself, you can join using the link in my bio. And if this made investing feel a little less intimidating, subscribe. I keep it simple and honest. See you in the next one.